สาวๆเป็นยังไงบ้างคะเมื่อกี้นี้โอเคไหม
ไม่โอเคไม่โอเค
All right, so I can. How about you? How about you, Kao?
Still excited
Yeah. Still more energy.
still have energy เนอะยังมีพลังต่อใช่ไหมคะ
Yeah.
still have more
Okay.
energy
So while you girls have that energy and you guys energy, why don't we have a game? Are you guys excited for a game? Okay, I will call 10 lucky fans to join us in our next game, ang mahiwaga nating box. Alright. Okay, so we will call your name. Please go up the stage with us. 10 lucky fans. Okay, hold on. Alright. Oops. We have E18. E18, come up the stage. Let's go, E18. Next up. Sorry, Design pass right. Right, E18 right. E18 right. Are you here? Over there, come here. Let's go. Next we have right again, G4. G4 right. G4 right, let's go. 10 clear, so that's 2. Next we have pass right. Design pass right. A16. Right, 16. A16. Come up the stage. Next up, we have design pass right again. B3. Boy 3, right? Right. Oh, ito left. G8 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left. G8. Design pass left. G8. Next up. Next we have left again. Design pass left. D2 dog 2. Dog 2. Design pass left. Next we have design pass right. Boy 14. Boy 14. Ilan na yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 na? Pang 8 na to. Next up is we have dog 9. Design pass left. Left D9. This is pang 8. 2 more. Next we have design pass right C7. C Charlie 7. And then last, Lucky Cow Chet Cow. Walang G8. Okay, isa pa. So design pass left E11. Design pass left E11. And then one last one. Alright. Last one we have design pass right, dog 4. D4. Andito ka ba, D4? Alright, I think we're complete na. Alright. Okay. So, I haven't even announced what name is it. Do we have international fans joining? Alright. So, I need you guys here, okay? Yeah, so you will be joined by the lovely girl. So, you'll be in the middle of this. Alright, so, our game is called, actually guys, if you're a Filipino, this is very unique game. A very unique game that we will teach Cal and Jane. And I think we have a couple of international fans. So bear with me here. We're gonna explain to you the game because the game is called Hep Hep Hooray. Other inter fans who's gonna be joining us on stage, I'll be saying the mechanics. So the rules are pretty easy. As with the name of the game, you only have to remember 2 words and their corresponding poses. Hep hep, hooray. So 2 claps, hep hep, hooray. Okay. So there, and then, okay, so I would be using my microphone to point on you. So when I point at you, you have to say hep hep, and then I will point you to another person, and then hooray. And then the sequence will come, and then if I caught you that you didn't respond in 2 seconds, you'll be caught. Okay, so again, at the end of this game, of course, we'll have a special prize. So girl, our participants, our Cow Chet Cow fans, yes, can you please, yes, move to the, okay. So I need you guys to be as close as possible to each other, so it's easy for me. Ayan, so, yeah, Jane, Cow and Jane, be in the center. Alright. Okay, so they will join the game as well. You guys, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do the practice. Hep hep.
Hep hep.
Hooray. More energy later. Kailangan magkakadikit sila. Yes, magkakadikit. Hep hep hooray. Okay, this is card. Okay. Alright, so.
เขาไม่เข้าใจอ่ะลองเล่นให้เขาดูลอง
We'll show the example.
Okay, we'll show the example. We'll do test first.
ก็คือว่าแต่ก้าวกับเจก็คือมันจะเป็นฮิปฮิปโพเรเนาะก็คือฮิปฮิปเรฮิปฮิป
Hooray. Okay. Everybody. Okay. Let's do the gesture.
Yeah.
Everybody, yes. Forward,
ลอง
please.
ท่าทางก่อนนะคะ
Yes.
try with the
Up,
gesture
up,
first
come on, right. Diyan lang. One line, firing squad, you guys.
เราหา
Don't move.
you can find your
Okay.
own spot
Yes. Okay. Alright, so we'll do it, everyone.
ทุกคนพร้อมๆนะคะ
Okay. 2 claps. Hep hep.
เฮปเฮป
Hooray. Should have, energy.
you have to do with excitement energy
Ay, yung mga Pinoy, guys, come on. Again, everyone, let's do it. Hooray! Energy, again. Hep, hep. Hooray! Okay. So we'll do a sample game. A mash. Okay, wait. We'll start from here. No, here. Okay. So when I point my ano to you, you have to say hep hep hooray, okay? And
see it fast
there we go. That's the key, okay? So you get it? Okay, from here. Sample here.
every time yes you do it like
Yes. Galingan mo. Galingan mo yan. Ha? Okay. We'll do it. Okay, we'll sample here on your side ka. Okay. And we have to say hooray. Yes. You have to, okay, if you don't have energy, if you don't, we're gonna cut you, okay? You guys don't join me, okay? Okay. Alright. And then, of course, Cow and Jane will join. And also, you'll be included, okay? So when I point the microphone to you, you have to say, hooray! Like that. Yes! Like that. You got it? Okay. Pwede pa? Yes, pahawak mo na? Okay. Alright. Okay, wala na ako hawak ha. Galingan nyo ha. Okay.
so like the mic
Okay. Hep hep hooray. Okay, everybody. Focus. Okay? And this is hep hep. Alright? We will start the game now. We will start it. So if you guys help me, okay? Okay. Alright, and hep hep. No. Okay, just sample. But this one real deal. Guys, listen to me, okay? You have to be attentive. When I point the microphone to you, you have to say hep hep hooray, okay? Okay. Sample. Okay. Alright, and I think it's okay. You can still join us. It's fine.
it's too easy
Okay. Okay, we'll forgive her this round. We'll forgive leave her. It's fine. She can join.
Practice.
Kami yung practice na. Okay. And this is real deal, ah. We'll eliminate na. Okay. Hey, but you didn't do that. I'm so sorry, na. Are we gonna... Okay, one more. Okay, last na.
That's
For
gonna
real.
be the last trial though. The next
Last,
gonna
last,
be the
last.
one.
No more. Okay, no more, ha? And... Thank you so much for joining. Thank you. Kasi it's hep hep. Yes, hooray. So you're limited. Thank you so much for joining. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Alright. It's okay. Thank you so much for joining. Alright. So guys, go closer to each other. There. Okay. And... Thank you, girl. Thank you so much for joining. Alright. So go closer together. Closer together. Okay. Whew. Alright. And... It's okay. She still can try. It's okay, Jane. It's okay. Alright.
She gets special immune, right?
Yeah. Immunity. Okay. Next. And... Mahirap to ba? Itong hep-hep pa rin na to? No, wag ka! Oh my goodness! See the dedication in this house? Magtanggal ng sapatos. Okay. And, isang side nga lang muna. Okay. Wait lang. And, ah! Thank you! Thank you for joining. Okay. Pagod ako ah. Okay. And, thank you so much for joining. Ayan. Okay guys, you can move a little bit over here. Okay. Alright. Oh, she's ready. And... Sorry! Thank you for joining! Natatama nga ako doon. Okay. And... Are we gonna... Okay, no more. Thank you so much for joining. Alright. Just six more. Okay, here. She's really scared of me. Okay. And... Oh, it's okay. Thank you so much. Hindi na siya
Pilipino na lang ba? I know.
We'll get there. Everybody, okay. And... Guys, more energy on this side, ha? Energy. Hindi ako nahulog sa stage para sa energy na yan, okay? Okay. And... Okay. It's okay. You did nothing wrong. Okay. And... Okay. Baliktarin na natin. Okay, we're gonna switch it. Because you guys are too great. It's hooray, hep hep. Okay?
เราจะสวิตช์เพราะเมื่อกี้มันง่ายไปละสลับไปกับเมื่อกี้อ่ะ practice round first. So it's gonna
Practice,
be,
practice. Okay.
gonna be
Okay. So everybody, hooray, hep hep. Again, energy, okay? Okay, hooray, hep hep. Okay. And 2 claps. Hooray, hep hep. Okay, one last na yun and then nothing na. Okay, and... Okay. I think it's okay. Safe, safe. And...
Easy.
Thank you so much. Hindi na. It's real game. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Okay, 4. Hooray, hep, hep, okay? Okay. Hooray, hep, hep. And... Hooray, dapat. It's supposed to be hooray. Yeah. Hooray. Okay. Tama. Okay, and... Ah, thank you so much for joining. Okay, we have three. All right. Okay? Okay. And... Come on, actually, I think we got it. I think we're gonna get this game. Guys, Jane will help me. Will help me find out who's gonna win this game, okay? Okay, girls. And... Thank you for joining. And then we have to... Galingan. What's your name? Maggie. Maki. And? Alright. Okay. Girls. Woo. Let's go. Okay. And hooray, hep, hep, then. And? Okay. Wait. Are we? Still continue? Okay. And... Okay, we have to end this game, okay? You have still performances later. Okay. Okay, and... Okay guys, I think we have to settle this in another way. Are you guys okay? We'll do... Rock, paper, scissors, okay? Because you guys are so good. So good. Okay, we're gonna settle this. Rock, paper, scissors style. Okay. Just one. Okay. Okay, you have to turn around.
Turn around.
Okay. Guys, help me ah. Okay. You're gonna put your fist, rock, paper, scissors. And then you're gonna face each other, okay? And rock, paper, scissors, shoot! No. You put your hand up with your and then I'll let you face each other. Hand first. Yes. Okay, game. And rock, Kayo ha? Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! So, naman din ako yung okay. Ano ba? Ano sabihin na? Hindi, ikaw tataas muna. Tapos sabihin ko, tatalikod kayo. Okay? Last na. Last. This one, no more already, okay? Okay. Overtime. And, rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Oh! Our winner is Shane! Thank you so much! Ayan. game?
I'm sorry that I said it was easy.
Ayan.
I was embarrassed.
But you're still so cute about
I'm
it.
cute, but I got it wrong every time. I would be the one that got eliminated immediately.
You're the obstacle course. You're the challenge.
Challenge.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
How about you, Pao?
Lakaw lang ka.
Thank you for being such good sports. You're actually really good at picking it up.
Yeah, I hope so.
She was so good.
She's really good. I even found out. Alright, some band rock, some rep or rep game. Guys, did you enjoy it?
ขอบคุณสาวๆที่มาเล่นเกมนี้กับเรา
Dalawa sila. But of course, the night is not yet over. There's still more from Kao and Jane for tonight. I know you guys are curious what is next. And so again, we'll say goodbye first to Kao and Jane. So they'll prepare. Of course, may last surprise pa sa inyo sa ngayong gabi. So thank you so much, girls. We'll see you again later.
สาวๆนะคะขอให้สาวๆเข้าไปพักข้างใน
Thank you, girls, so